People only started asking me my pronouns a few years ago. For ages, I didn't know what it meant. Now it has to be like the second thing you say to someone. If you don't go name, pronouns, and what are you into, then people get a bit funny.
I always knew I felt different around my friends. I couldn't tell you how I was different, but there was always something hanging around in the back of my mind.
It's not that I minded people asking me to call them something else, or not say she, or whatever, but whenever I tried to ask anything, people would get upset or angry. I was the bad guy for not just understanding.
Once a few of my friends came out, I started thinking, maybe I felt a bit like them. I didn't want the same things as most of the people I went to school with. I know everyone hates their bodies when they're going through puberty, but mine felt like it belonged to someone else.
I did try to find out what I was supposed to say. Like, I looked around online, but all anyone would ever say is why the other side was wrong. I just wanted someone to tell me how to talk to people without upsetting them.
It began to feel like this thing I didn't have a name for, following me around, something I couldn't get away from. People kept asking me, are you this? Are you that? Are you a boy? Are you a girl? Or telling me I was this or that. And I just knew that people would find me easier if I could tell them what I was.
It's not that I want to make people upset, but if you can't talk to me about being trans or whatever, then how am I meant to understand? I can't read minds.
For a bit, just having an answer when people asked made things feel better. And I had a group of people who felt like I did. Except, whatever I was still different. And gradually it felt just the same as pretending to be like people at school.
I think people need to realise the labels are your choice, and you can't put them on other people. I just want to be me, and for you to be you.
I'm happy that so many people want to help me figure this out, but they can't do it for me. There's only one person who knows how I feel, and I just need to be me until I can work it out.